Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 low FPS and lagging. If you want to fix it, click here, go to task manager and then click on memory to see applications that takes your memory. Now just close all the applications that you don't need, applications that you know what they do, and that's it. Then go to view advanced system settings, go to settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and OK, and then close this one, and then go to GeForce Experience. Now go to settings, scroll down, enable image scaling. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem and it's still lagging, now go to home, scroll down until you find FIFA 23. Let's take Tekken 7 as an example. When you find when you find FIFA 23, go to details, scroll down, and here you will find this one, custom settings. Now just move this one to performance and click apply. Now just launch it, and if that doesn't fix it, come back here and move it again and click apply. That's it, just keep moving it like that until your problem is fixed, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.